Welcome to my video tutorials. I'd like to explain you the second basic law, which will be very useful for your circuit analyzing and practice. It will be Kirchhoff's second law, or also known as Kirchhoff's voltage law. It states that sum of all voltages around the closed loop in any circuit must be equal to 0. What does it mean? Let me explain this on the following example. We have the following electrical circuit. So we have a closed loop which contains voltage sources E1 and E2. It has a number of loads R1, R2, R3, R4, and accordingly to the Kirchhoff's law, all voltages around the closed loop in any circuit must be equal to 0. Or, in other words, the voltages of all voltage sources equal to all voltages which drop on each load. Respectively, we can write the following. In electrical circuits, you may find the following designations in the schemes. Voltage source. Let me know in comments which one you prefer to use in your practice more. Resistance. First variant is a designation of resistor in USA, and the second one is a designation of resistor in Europe. And two more basic elements, capacitor and inductor. Now let's take a look at one more example dedicated to the second Kirchhoff's law. This closed loop has one voltage source, E. Also has 4 loads, resistor number 1, resistor number 2, resistor number 3, and resistor number 4. In this case, accordingly to the second Kirchhoff's law, we will have the following equation. Just in this case, we have the opposite direction of the loop and respectively the current number 1, the current number 2, and the current number 3. So, what we will have in this case? We have the same direction of the loop and the voltage source E, so E will be with plus. And respectively, we will have the opposite direction of current number 1, so it will be minus I1 R1, opposite direction of current number 2 minus I2 R2 minus I3 R3, the same situation, and the last one the same direction, so it will be with plus.